So, hello guys, this is my whole back here again with another new video. Our current COVID situation is quite messed up. People are dying, economy is falling day by day, and all of our mental states are not quite good. All of us are depressed right now. So, as a human being, we need some refreshment. We need to breathe some fresh airs. We need to go out of our natural habitat and let's have some adventure in regular intervals. But right now, for the current situation, it is not quite possible. हालांकि लोग मनाली विजिट तो कर रहे हैं and that is also trending right now, but it is not right. Obviously it is not the right thing to do. So what we can do is at least visit some places virtually. That is an option that we have. Now visiting a place through Google Earth is not a quite good or okayish solution. So I have curated two of the website today that can help you in visit, like that, yeah, that can actually give you some enjoyment while visiting other places virtually. So let's directly dive into the video. Our first website is Windows Web. Windows Web does exactly the same thing that its name suggests. It swap the windows. Like you can peek into another person's window. And if you want to submit your window view, you can also submit it here. Here is a submit button. And if you want to listen to a relaxing music while watching windows, you can click here. It will play a good relaxing song that all of you may like. I don't know, but I liked it. And there is another option too, that is like regularly viewing windows, and you can swap it anytime. And those windows really have some cool ambience noise also. So if you are some kind of person who loves the ambience noise rather than music, you will enjoy it for sure. And you can make it full screen and start watching it. You can swap it anytime. Okay. And obviously you can play the video in loop, increase the sound of the ambience noise, and do a lot of things. Now there is another website. They have took this game into a higher level. They have done something really good. So here is virtual vacation. So what they does is not just windows, but they provide a lot of type of POV shots, like a walking tour, city gazer. Like city gazer is a game actually, but driving tour, or like live cam is actually live cam, flying tour, or monuments. So they have provided a lot of variation in this same format of viewing POV contents. So I tried, actually I haven't tried all of the formats, but I have tried some of them, and those are quite good. And here they don't provide you the music option that Windows Web provide, and Windows Web actually have one music at all. But it's okay as long as we are getting the ambience noise. It's quite okay, not a problem at all. You can begin a tour from anywhere. A virtual window will appear. You can walk or drive or fly. You can choose anything and just start it. So let's go to the Berlin. So here is a walking tour. Play it for you in full screen. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you like those websites or not. If you like it, please consider subscribing this channel. And if you can find some cool website like this, please let me know in the comments, so I can make video about that too. So bye.